If you've noticed warm air creeping into your home during summer or cool drafts during a rare Dallas cold front, your windows could be the culprit. Drafty windows are more than just a minor annoyance. They can increase energy bills, reduce indoor comfort, and put unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. In Dallas, where long, hot summers dominate much of the year, even small air leaks can make a noticeable difference. Understanding the causes of drafty windows, and knowing the right solutions, can help you restore comfort and efficiency to your home. Common causes of drafty windows: worn weatherstripping. Weatherstripping seals the edges of operable windows. Over time, Dallas heat can cause it to dry out, crack, or compress. When this happens, small gaps form, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. Failed window seals. If you see condensation between panes of glass, the insulated glass seal may have failed. This reduces the window's ability to block heat transfer and can contribute to drafts. Gaps around the frame. Settling foundations and temperature fluctuations in Dallas can create small gaps between the window frame and the surrounding wall. These openings often go unnoticed but can significantly impact efficiency. Outdated single-pane windows. Older Dallas homes may still have single-pane windows, which offer little insulation. Without modern glass technology, these windows allow heat to move easily through the glass. Poor installation. Even newer windows can become drafty if they weren't installed correctly. Improper sealing or insufficient insulation around the frame can lead to long-term air leakage. How drafts affect your Dallas home. In Dallas, the biggest impact of drafty windows is often seen in higher cooling costs. When hot outdoor air infiltrates your home, your air conditioner works harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Drafts can also cause uneven temperatures from room-to-room. Hot spots near windows. Increased humidity indoors. Excess strain on HVAC equipment. Addressing drafts not only improves comfort but can also extend the lifespan of your heating and cooling system. Solutions for drafty windows. Replace weatherstripping. If worn weatherstripping is the issue, replacing it is a relatively simple and affordable fix. New compression seals can immediately improve airtightness. Reseal around the frame. Applying exterior-grade caulk around window frames can close small gaps and prevent air infiltration. For larger gaps, expanding foam insulation may be necessary. Repair or replace failed glass units. If the seal between panes has failed, replacing the insulated glass unit can restore performance. In cases where multiple windows are affected, full replacement may be more cost-effective. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Modern replacement windows are designed specifically to reduce air leaks and heat transfer. Features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, multi-chambered vinyl or fiberglass frames significantly improve energy efficiency in Dallas' hot climate. Ensure professional installation. Proper installation is critical. A professional installer ensures the window is level, insulated, and tightly sealed, preventing future draft issues. When it's time to replace. If your windows are more than 15 to 20 years old and you're experiencing persistent drafts, upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows may be the best long-term solution. New windows not only eliminate drafts but also enhance curb appeal, reduce noise, and increase property value. Take control of comfort. In Dallas, drafty windows can quietly drive up energy costs and reduce comfort, especially during Dallas' intense summer heat. By identifying the cause and choosing the right solution, you can create a more comfortable, efficient home. Whether it's a simple seal replacement or a full window upgrade, addressing drafts today helps protect your comfort and your wallet for years to come.